The next resource that I selected was recently shown to me. It's called EquatIO, and it's free for all teachers K through 12. It is a math tool to help create assignments and make them more legible. I selected this resource because it was recently shown to me, and I feel like I will use it a lot in class and for my classes and for my students to create assignments. The purpose is to make things neater, expose students to more math symbols and what they look like and how they should be written. The intended audience will be my coworkers, peers, and my students. The ITSE standards that are covered by using this are 3.3E, Developing Learning Assessments, and 3.2E, Sharing Lessons Learned. If we are looking at this and what it looks like, it is a little add-on to Google Chrome. It is this button right up here. You click on it and then it pops up this at the bottom. You can add it to Google Docs, you can add it to Google Forms, a lot of different websites accept this input. We have an equation editor where you can type in what you want it to say. So for example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 13. If we wanted to insert this into the document or wherever we're at insert math, it creates a picture of that, and then we can go in, we can move it around, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller. Another cool thing is some of my kids have touchscreen tablets, and they can go into this, and it's a handwriting recognition. And if they go in and write, say, the sum of x plus 3, and then you can insert from whatever to whatever. You can go in and type in from there. And same idea, insert the math, and it creates a new picture. You can also do a speech input, and it can talk to it. You can also add graphs. If you want the x plus 3 graph, you can insert it directly onto the document from there. The other cool thing about this, which I have not explored yet, just because it's not in my field really, is this STEM tool. You have a periodic table, a calculator, and then the molecular viewer. So you can have students look up what different molecules look like in the ball and stick model, or several different models. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can click and drag it around. I feel like I will be able to have students create more of their own reviews to help them gain a deeper understanding using this tool.